Hello, my friends. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. Let's get into the news. Let's keep this short. There's not much. Stocks, the marine industry stocks. We are in a red day today. It's okay. Last week was really, really nice. All greens, all week. Let's see how it progresses the rest of the week. But this is a roller coaster. We are in weird times. And yes, we are in the red today, but that's okay. Let's look at the news. So we left off here talking about the Green Line 39. The evolution of shallow water anchors. Shallow water anchors have evolved over the last decade to be quiet, efficient tools for inshore anglers and are almost considered standard equipment. Read about that. Don't just restart your business, reset it. Okay, if you want to learn about that, read there. Blackfin Tuna blowout in the South Floridas. Experts explain how to find and catch blackfin tuna near the hump of off Marathon, Florida Keys, and how to locate them. Oh, wow. Let's just look at it real quick. I want to see how in-depth they get. It looks like a really cool article, and they give you some tips here. It's a long article, so that sounds cool. Deadliest catch, Captain Keith. He talks about boating, safety, crew morale, and more from the Deadliest Catch. Read about that. This is funny. Fly fishing for dolphin. And most of you are maybe not laughing because it's true. I've heard about it. I've never really seen it or done it. Techniques and tactics for offshore fly fishing for dolphin. You want to eat some mahi-mahi caught by your fly fishing reel? I need to look into this more. This offshore species is tailor-made for fly anglers. Look at that. There's the proof. Incredible. Incredible. You don't see those lures often. Wow, it's really cool. Okay, read up on that. Last week we did an article. We went over an article where they were installing a transducer on the back of the transom. This one is through hull, so in hull on the boat. How to install an in-hull transducer for a fish finder on a boat, properly positioned. Blah blah blah. You can look at it. Jim Hendricks. He's very detailed. Okay. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. So much information. Great work. I love these little animations. Great. Okay. Check that out. It's going to be a good read. This is funny because maybe this comes in waves or yesterday they were talking about the Green Line 39. Today somebody's talking about hydrogen powered fuel cells. Before we were talking about the Sea Ray 400E, which was with electric batteries. Like, everybody's starting to talk about the future of boating and where it's going and what's powering its devices or propulsion. Will hydrogen-powered fuel cells power the boat of tomorrow? That's awesome. I can't wait till we get there. So if you were to go into that article, I would say they talk about the car industry, and then they say in the marine space that It's coming along, but it's at a slow pace. But UK's Cheetah Marine, they're looking to hydrogen-powered fuel cells as a feasible marine power source. And Torqeedo, Dr. Christoph, arguably the world's leader in electric marine propulsion, views hydrogen as an effective energy source to work in concert with electric power. That's awesome. So read up on that if you want to. I know Torqeedo because I had a customer put a dinghy on his boat and had an outboard from Torqeedo installed with some dedicated storage. Actually, there's a video on that boat. It's the 407 Cuddy 2019 with 627 7 Marine engines. There's a video, just scroll down, you'll see it, and you'll see the Torqeedo. It's mentioned briefly, but so this is them. They make outboards, inboards, pod drives, batteries, accessories. They'll go up to 80 horsepower outboards. Look, they will keep going higher and higher. So don't be like, oh, 80 horsepower. Pff. You're gonna see 100, and then you're gonna see 200, then you're gonna see 300, then you're gonna see 500, and then eventually they'll take over. It's just gonna be that way, and they're leading the way. So look, their technology, they go into regarding the environment, convenience, switches, performance, electric motors, corrosion protection, propulsion technology, propeller technology, energy densities, battery technology, OHM law. Read up on them. What else we got? Michigan has orders that will limit boating, so you can read up on that. This guy's talking about the job losses and how that's affecting us, and I'm sure he's talking about the marine industry. He's got water behind him, so I'm sure that's going to tie in with the marine industry. If you want to know about that, read it. Marine Mat. We went over this last week, but it looks like somebody's rewriting the article and talking about the new general manager. If you're a fan of Marine Mat, read up on that. And then Inmarsat drops voice call cost by 50%. To who? To the yachts using Inmarsat Fleet Broadband and Fleet One chat card voice services, and the wholesalers offering them. Awesome. So 8 minutes, that's great. Look, we're just going to keep doing this every day. Let's keep going. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. The button didn't work again. It's not working. Why? I think it'll work now. You've earned it. It didn't work again. Hold on. Why is it not working? Now it will work. You've earned it. What happened there? We gotta fix that.